Here we have a 2024 Transit. It's one of the big Transits, not a custom. So this is the standard radio, and what we're going to be doing today is an integrated reverse camera. So at the moment, when you go into reverse, it just comes up with the parking sensor symbols as standard, but obviously there's no camera. So that's what we're going to be installing today, and it's going to be around the back where the rear brake light is. So that's the actual brake light at the moment. I'm going to replace that with a camera version. Right, the factory monitor is out. Now it's ready for me to install the interface. Well, the module's loosely in, just testing it to make sure that everything works. And here's the camera that's going to replace the rear brake light. So you see as I move that around, so now I'm going to fit the rear brake light. Right, the rear brake light's out, and as you can see there it is there. So that brake lens, I'm going to replace it now with one with a built-in camera, and that'll just go in its place. Right, the reverse camera is all installed. You can see that's replaced the brake light. So that's your screen. So going to reverse. So you've got your camera. And you can see the original parking sensors come up on the screen as well, so you don't lose that. Just pull out reverse, the screen goes back into that. So that's the reverse camera installed on the 2020 Ford Transit van, integrated into the factory screen.